Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Dear students, hope you all are good and safe at your homes. Today I am here to teach you in this online class. Today's topic: difference between RAM and ROM memory, from page number 8 of book. Today in this session we will discuss about RAM and ROM memory and their differences. So let's get started. Let's first discuss RAM memory. RAM stands for random access memory. So students, do you know what does random access mean here? Yes, random access means that CPU can directly access any address location of RAM memory. That is why it is named as random access memory, and it is very quickly accessible. RAM is a volatile memory. It stores the data till the power is switched on. Once the power goes off, the whole data in RAM gets erased, and it only stores data which has to be currently processed. The storage capacity of the RAM is high, ranging from 64 MB to 16 GB. RAM is the fastest and costliest memory of the computer. Because of its speed, it is very expensive. It is a read-write memory of the computer. Now we are going to discuss about ROM memory. ROM stands for read-only memory. Unlike RAM, the ROM memory can't be directly accessed by CPU. The data first transferred to the RAM and then CPU can access that data from the RAM. ROM is a non-volatile memory. The data inside the ROM retains even if the power of the CPU is switched off. The capacity of ROM is comparatively smaller than RAM. ROM slower and cheaper than RAM. The data in ROM can only be read by CPU. ROM stores the instructions that computer requires during bootstrapping. Let's discuss the differences between RAM and ROM memory. RAM stands for random access memory. ROM stands for read-only memory. RAM is a read-write memory. ROM is read-only memory. RAM used to stores the data that has to be currently processed by CPU temporarily. ROM stores the instructions required during bootstrapping of the computer. RAM is a volatile memory. ROM is a non-volatile memory. Now let's move on to today's homework. Answer the questions. Here are some questions for you students. And question number 1 is define RAM. Question number 2, define ROM. Question number 3, differentiate between RAM and ROM. You have to write the answers to these questions in your notebook. And you have read the answers to these questions in today's lecture. Thank you.